Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Here you can see 97 Ford Thunderbird. The problem here is that this handle, outside handle, is not opening the car. The one which is on inside is working. So I removed the door panel to see if it can be repaired or which part is broken. If you want to see what I do, stay with me in this video. I will see what is accessible while removing this. And obviously the window is in my way, so I will raise the window. And I put this light inside and I can actually show you what's causing the outside handle not working properly. I will zoom it inside. And if you look with me, there is that yellow piece of plastic which is holding the rod which is coming from the outside door handle. Right now it's moving correctly, but the plastic is broken and sometimes that rod just flies through it and it's not moving that plastic clip, and that's basically the cause why the outside door handle doesn't work and inside door handle and the central locking system works correctly. In this example you can hopefully see how the rod is sliding through it. You see it? And that's why that outside handle is not opening that door lock right now. And since today the dealership is closed to go get a part like this, I will just put a little bit of epoxy which need to dry overnight, and hopefully it will be working correctly tomorrow with that little fix. Here you can see the epoxy which I have used to do this temporary fix. That epoxy hardens approximately in 10 minutes and the curing time it's 16 hours, but the car is here after 3 hours of drying and I can't stop myself to come and see if that really worked. So this is the moment of truth. Did that epoxy applied fix this problem? Let's see. I can't wait to see. Oh yeah! I cannot tell you guys how the owner will be happy. She was for the last 2 years crawling through that door to open this door from inside. Look at it. And as I said, it's a temporary fix. I'm not saying everybody should fix it that way. I also lubricated this lock so it's giving the least amount of resistance. But look at it. Unbelievable. Well, my friend, make sure you are subscribed and you are tuned, because I have way more videos about the cars coming your way on this Auto Resource channel. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.